Hey guys, okay, so I'm posting this video to give you a follow-up of the last written exam 2. Okay, so some stats here. The average was a 78.95, which is actually really high. But that being said, the distribution looks something like this. We got 3 A's over here, 9 B's, 2 C's, and 5 D's. So the grades did look a little bit low initially, but once we actually crunched the numbers, we did get this average. So we're not going to do anything to them. Those are the final grades. Okay, so a few things that seem to be trouble topics were basically these two, Huffman trees and data representation. So I didn't grade the Huffman trees, Guna did, but he noted to me that they did seem to be giving a lot of people a lot of trouble. So just know how to build Huffman trees, how to interpret them, how to use them to encode and also decode, because that will be important. With data representation, some people did really well on this portion, some people did really poorly, but a lot of people look like they were struggling with mainly the topic of how many possibilities of how many possibilities could be represented using a certain type of data representation. So things like what is the largest and smallest sign value. Also, a lot of issues with if we have X number of characters, how many numbers or how many bits do we need to represent these characters? How many unique possibilities are there? So things like that. Also, converting signed and unsigned integers. We had a few issues with that as well, but just make sure you know how to do these. The reason I tell you this is because whichever topics we see are giving people the most trouble, we will be putting those on the final exam coming up this Friday. So just make sure that you study up on those, whatever you missed, so that you'll be ready for the final exam. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. We'll be passing these back to you tomorrow, so make sure to look through them, and make sure to study up on whatever that you missed. And yep, that's pretty much it. We'll see you tomorrow in class. Okay, bye.